It's looking beautiful.
Hi, I'm Emily, a Stop and Shop registered dietitian.
And we're Dave and Steve, identical twins called the Happy Pair from Ireland. We're all about getting you to eat your veg to be healthier and happier.
And this is
At the Table!
All right, so I have a sweet challenge for you both today. So I'm looking for you to make a simple, delicious, and dairy-free dessert.
No problem. I think this is the easiest one yet. This is our sweet spot.
Very confident, Mr.
I
Flynn.
sound extraordinarily confident for a reason. We're gonna make a delicious chocolate peanut butter salted caramel tart. Doesn't that sound sweet? Well, it is. Okay, first step, we're gonna start by making our base. So into our food processor, we're gonna start by adding our nuts. Okay, beautiful. We've blended that for approximately a minute until it's reached a breadcrumb-like consistency. So in on top of our blended nuts, we're gonna add some pitted dates. This is gonna add a sweetness that's gonna stick our base together. To enrich our dried fruit and nuts, we're gonna add a little bit of coconut oil. And we're just gonna blend that until it reaches a nice, smooth consistency. Boom, we're ready to go.
Okay, so we're gonna use a fluted removable base pie tin or tart tin. Really important step here is to compress it. It helps hold it all together. And also when you do cut it, it really gets that beautiful division of layers.
Okay, and that's our base pretty much ready to go.
Okay, time to make our caramel.
Okay, here we go. I'm very excited about this. Oh, it looks amazing.
How are things going in here?
Emily, I would
Emily,
love you to
there
try
you
this.
are.
Oh, I'd love to take a taste.
So this is our date caramel.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
It's very good, isn't it?
And as a dietitian, I love that we're using dates in here. Great way to sneak in some extra fruit to a dessert. Okay, perfect. I'll be back in a few.
Thanks, Emily.
Oh, it looks great. Oh, I love that. Look at those ripples. Okay, so final step, which is the third layer in our chocolate peanut butter salted caramel tart, is the chocolate layer.
And this is always my favorite layer.
So start low.
I always love this. There's just something so magnificent about melted chocolate.
Oh, this is beautiful. That is nice chocolate. I like American chocolate. And then finally, just to garnish, you do not need to do this, but this is our preference, is take a tiny little bit of salt and just dust it across the top of it. Once again, it'll really accentuate the sweet. So we're literally just gonna pop that in the fridge for somewhere about 30 minutes just to firm up before we slice it.
And this is probably the hardest part, but just be patient. When it sets, it's magnificent.
Beautiful. It really is sensational. Okay, a great tip here for chopping your tart and slicing it is to use recently boiled water and heat your knife. And once you heat your knife, it means that you're gonna get a nice clean cut across each slice.
Oh, yum! It is. I love the way it's stood with the salt on the top. I think it looks so cool. Okay,
Really, really is.
I'm just gonna plate this up. Emily!
Hello. Look at these layers.
Beautiful.
Wow, I'm excited to dive in.
This is a serious cake, in the best way.
This is incredible.
It's beautiful cake, isn't it? Really nice. This is one of the most popular cakes that we make in our cafe.
Wow, I'm getting all of those flavors, the sweet, the salty, the savory. This is amazing.
Most important to be past the test, Emily.
You made this mission possible.
Yes!
Woo!
Thank you, Emily.
Delighted. Glad you enjoyed it.